know what you're fussing at. We have plenty of ground clearance.
If you didn't have those ramps, though, come on. We got plenty clearance.
Plenty clearance.
Just bring the ramps with us.
That's
We don't have to worry about
Just
nothing.
Bring them with us. We'll ride down the road with them, skidding.
Yep. Welcome to OLOP RV. I'm Jonathan.
I'm Curtis.
And before we get started, hit that subscribe button and follow us on our journey. How does day 3 sound or feel?
Cold.
It is really cold today. You are right. But we have a deadline. What is our deadline?
We have to have it at the State Patrol office.
So we have
9 days.
So we have 9 days to make this box look like a camper, and it might not be perfect, but at least we'll have the bone structure that you need for that. So that's the main thing. So this is our box that we started on yesterday. My goal is Curtis's goal is to get a back door or Curtis's goal is to have a back wall here. My goal is to get all the wires out of here and get the battery bank out as well. So that's our goals today.
Okay. Sorry.
You done?
I thought you were done.
We done.
The DMV to try to change the title from commercial vehicle to RV.
That is a big deal.
Yes, it's a big deal for me because insurance, commercial insurance on the box trucks, or on ours, is $2,600 a year.
Yeah.
And if it's an RV, then it's $650 a year. So it's a big deal.
It's a big difference for sure. And if something happens to a rig and it's not covered by RV title, everything that we have already in the build, like the refrigerators and everything that an RV would have, is not covered unless it has the RV title.
Correct.
So we found out the hard way. We went ahead and did the back door entry. We did that real fast, so you'll see it already put up. We apologize we didn't show you that on the video. We're trying to hurry up and we can get to this RV title going. And it's hard to record and be motivated at the same time because
this is hard. I don't like recording.
And we're about to get this thing cleaned up right now. Much better. That's a clean line right there. How's day 5 looking, Curtis? It is looking really good. Insulation is almost complete. No, I actually didn't see that. I had it just so you didn't see it. Just a couple more pieces of insulation and it will be completed. I will start the duct tape right now between the ribs of the insulation. Show you what's on top of this. This is what it looks like on top of our box truck. I'm using my favorite screwdriver, the Dewalt. the best. This is truly the best investment we've done so far. It's just so easy, they're the small. There are the brushless. I don't know. It's the Atomic, I think, is what it is, and it's super small and it's easy to hold, and my favorite for sure. I just have to say that. This vent must have leaked in its past life because they duct taped it, or they didn't, not duct tape, but they put this metal tape around it. They caulked the crap out of it to make sure it doesn't leak. They're not even operable at all, so. No, it needs to be a small joke. It works. Thank you.
Yeah.
So what is this called? It's an extension?
No, that's actually a 4-inch nut driver. That's what we use for doing the roofing.
So you lied to me already.
No. If it was deep, it would be an extension. If it's shallow, with the magnum on the end, it's a nut driver.
Oh, it's deep.
Is it deep? Then it's an extension.
Oh, it's deeper than some of them.
You see a magnum right there on the end?
Yeah.
Then it's a nut driver.
Cards.
Hold on tight.
You better not goose this thing. I will kill you. You hurt me.
You know I can't help it. It's late, we're tired.
We have been working really hard today. We're trying to get going on this build.
Mississippi requires you to have a place to use the bathroom, a place to eat, and a place to sleep. I guess that's it. Yeah. And so you have to have all that done prior.
So those are the three criteria in order to get the RV title. Yeah, because they only do it once a month, I think, right now. So we wanted to go ahead and put everything where it's supposed to be and act like it works, or they have the facade of it working versus it actually.
And 1 month from now, we want to be on the road.
Yes, we want to be on the road. April 15th is our date that we're going for. We're not sure if we're going to quite make that deadline, but it doesn't really matter. But we do need that title, RV title, already taken care of, and that's why we kind of did this on a fast track. Got a little sink here. The only thing we need is put our stove right here in a spot. The refrigerator. We have a place to sit on the toilet. A little bed area. We're going to put a sheet on top of it. Then we are ready to go get our title. Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
share,
Hit that bell notification.
bing. Good. Well, is my ass that big? Oh, poor thing. Poor thing.
No,